Assalamualaikum, good morning. This is Hadi from NorCal Outdoor. I'm me and my friend Ruben here on the back. We just got in Pardee here so early. This is the first time I've been here so early. Hopefully we can get this done soon before too hot.
Hello.
Alright, here Sonny got fish. See, you expect you get at least one. Now you got the first one, got it already. Move your rod to right. No, you under. All right, congratulations, Sonny. Oops, sorry. Nice one. First fish for today. Sonny is on fire now. Look like you are pro now, Sonny. Yeah, nobody get a bite yet, and only you now.
I'm not sure if it's still on. Oh yeah, it's
Still on. Yeah, they're swimming to here. Maybe he's swim towards you. Bring it up so you can use the rod to fight it. Yeah, let it go. Bring your rod straight from it. Right. So if they fight it, it will bend.
Right.
It won't go away.
Wow, it's running. Come on.
Move your lighting. Go move your rods there. Ah, good job. Good job. Right. Good job. Good job. Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. I haven't got lighting yet this year, but you got it. So,
First lining this year.
yeah, congratulations.
Thank you. I think you got one, huh?
Yeah, I need the. Oops, I need the.
Oh, the net?
Mhm.
Okay, I'm gonna sit there. How can I do the?
You can get the net.
I will get the net. Yeah, I think he caught one. He's got you there. Thank
Thank you, bro. Finally, see, I got it too.
Yeah. Is that a lightning too?
I don't know, I can't tell.
Oh no, regular one.
What is buying? Alright.
Yo, there you go. Hey, I got one too.
Alright, reel it, brother Ruben.
I don't think he got away.
Did you get away?
Maybe.
Okay,
Oh,
okay,
no, he got
okay.
it, he got it.
Reel it. Oops. Oh, really? Oh, this one is big one. Oh, jumping. This is good size.
It's a good one.
Yeah, good one. All right, good job. Jerk it first. One.
Did you
Yeah.
get-
Then do it. Just once. Just once.
Just one time?
Yeah, just one time.
Oh, okay.
Just make sure the hook set.
Oh, I see.
Look like the fish gone. Is it still there?
No, it's not good. You took the. I don't know. I don't feel anything. But
Oh, you got up again? You lost it twice. Alright guys, today is very slow. We only got 3. We got some, we lost it. But only 3 we keeping it. Just the fish there. So the guy behind me there, he got 2. And we got 3, so 5. There's a lot of people here before, but they're all gone. So alright, and thanks again for watching, and please subscribe. And this is Brother Ruben. Bye guys.
we had fun.
Alright, happy fishing.